ginger shots. Ginger shots. You guys have hyped this thing too much. So today I'll be talking about it because you guys hype this thing. Hey Jesus, the way you guys hype this thing. When I hype and pass anything for this life. So to me, ginger shot is totally overrated. It's just totally overhyped. You'll say how? Yes, this is me. I drank it days after days and after days and after days, and my skin did not change a bit. Mm. Because they'll tell you when you drink ginger shot, your skin will begin to lighten up. This one will happen. And number two, people always tell us that this ginger shot will always make you purge. Your first, second, third day of drinking this tea, my dear, make sure you're in your father's house or your personal house. Like, don't just leave your house because you will purge. This is my second bottle. I had to like drink more than one bottle because I just say, "Oh, maybe my own skin, my own skin, it might be giving or DHE skin, like nothing they touch them." So I decided to like drink more than one bottle and to experiment and talk about it. So ginger shot is totally for detoxification. Yes, it's very very good. Like you feel detoxify. I drink it first thing in the morning, and then I was like watching my weight. Well, then I was watching my weight, and it was really really nice because I take it to first thing in the morning and I won't eat you by 12. So it will just help you detoxify yourself, make you go to toilet, make you feel lighter. Yes, it's an immune booster. You might be wondering what ginger shot consists of. It consists of turmeric, ginger, lemon, carrot, and your distilled water. That was what I used for mine. You can mix. Some people use orange. If you're a sweet tooth, you can use orange. But me, I didn't use orange. I used lemon. So it just help purifies your system. That thing doesn't have anything to do with lightening up your skin. If you want to purify your system, if you want to like detoxify your system, I'll recommend this bottle of goodness. But if you want to call it like a magic bottle of what they call it of beauty, then I would disagree with you. It is not a magic bottle for beauty. It is a magic bottle for detoxification. It is a magic bottle for lightening, loosening up your belly. I would like not like belly fat here, but it will just help you loosen up. You just feel lighter than a normal person. You feel less bloated. Yes, exactly. That's the word I'm looking for. So you can try it out, but not be like not be say you're trying it out because you want to like um don't be saying you're trying it out because you want to like lighten up your skin. It's not working for that. I'm telling you. I'm telling you for free. Yes, ginger shot doesn't work for that. So tell me any other thing you want us to review. I'll take my time, experiment it on myself for 2 weeks, and I'll come and tell you what it is. Because this one, they don't do us why yo.